Funny Christmas Eve no the Hotel Polo Tower ni bakak the Christmas cake stram zakha. O cake no Hotel Polo Tower 1 ni bagay preserve Clayton ni sangnay.
Please mix it well. The taste of the cake will be depending on how you mix it.
Aslon stram zakmani cake mix cake ongnay. Aro use ongnay dry fruits, grapes tea wine. Abhay ke khatung tong thuni bising te a cake stram nani tang botang ya kon harka Hotel Polo Tower. Abhay hinu Christmas Eve no ti khatung zakmani ko shaka Hotel Polo Tower ni adong rok.
No, it's like every year we do it. So thank you again that you all have come here. You know, this tradition is following since ages, and this is a kind of event where we welcome the festive season, winter festival carnival basically, if I can say, which starts with the Christmas cake mixing, where we do this all, high-end dry fruits and then herbs, spices, wines together to mix it up. Then we will preserve it, and then we will further after a month before the Christmas we open it, and then we may bake it, and then it will be even ready for all of you. You can come, you can buy it. Then I will like all of you to have a cake from here. Plus, this is a festival which we always celebrate. This is a kind of festival which is a family festival which brings everyone together to come and enjoy the happiness, enjoy the moment, make the memory. With this also, we mark the festivals for the upcoming month, which is December. In December, we'll have a back-to-back events, which is even Christmas Eve gala dinner, which is wine and dine. Then we'll have a DJ night, gala DJ night on Christmas evening. Then even we will be having a 31st night, gala dinner with DJ. That will be year ending. So there are multiple events which will be coming up with this. So I just wanted to do this event because that's the tradition we follow, and we have been doing it, and we will keep doing it in next years also. But this is our announcement that yes, the winter has come and we are ready for the festival. We want all of you to get ready for the upcoming season and upcoming festivals. Do come, do visit us. More details if you want to have, just follow our pages, and I'm sure you will be able to get more details about these festivals.
On the very special day occasion of Christmas cake mixing, by celebrating this event, we initiate the festive season which is coming ahead. A joyful event where we all share our love, togetherness and our hopes. So I would like to introduce my CGM sir to talk about it further and give you a bit brief on how things gonna be done in the next month and the upcoming festive season.
Rasa korakul ni shumamit ni kok thum chini korak.